My name is Jorge Dominguez. I'm 37 years old. She's my wife, Alcira, and she's 31 years old. 10 years ago, we met, fell in love, and we started our own act. The Dominguez Poodle Review from Dallas, Texas. We started with 4 dogs, and now we have 9 dogs. This is our daughter, Michaela, and this is our son, Logan. We live in an RV, and we do shows all over America. This is the best job ever. The dogs are not just pets, they are parts of our family. If we win the $1 million, we can make our dream come true.
Good luck to you guys. Go ahead.
Thank you, thank you.
Go right ahead. Look at the little girl.
Is that a pink dog?
It's a pink child in
You
a
sure?
dog suit.
Oh my gosh. Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Jorge Dominguez. My wife, Alcira, Logan, Michaela. We are the Dominguez Poodle Review.
And where are you from?
Dallas, Texas.
Some of those aren't poodles, right? Are they rescues or
Aksi, the terrier,
the terrier?
he's from the shelter in Dallas, Texas.
Do they have like different personalities and?
Oh, yes. The brown one over there, Mickey, he is the alpha.
Oh,
Whoa.
He's good. Good job.
I love that. Do you live in a house with all these dogs?
No. We have a RV and we travel around all United States.
So should you win the $1 million, I would imagine the first thing you'd want to do is to buy a home, right?
Yes, of course, to give a home to my family.
Oh, wow. Let's see what you do. And good luck. I wish you the best.
Don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. Having a good time. A shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car, passing by like a go. There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky. 200 degrees, that's what I call it, Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. I wanna make a supersonic woman of you. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Good time, good time. Don't stop me, don't stop me. Just give me a call. Don't stop me now. Good time. Don't stop me now. Good time. Don't wanna stop me.
Hey YouTube, I'm Julianne Hough, and yes, I am old enough to know what this is right behind me. This was a TV that I used to watch VHS videos on, but now we don't have to do that. So, if you guys want to click below, subscribe, and watch away.